Embarking on a gardening journey is an exciting venture that promises a bountiful harvest and a deeper connection with nature. However, for beginners, navigating the world of gardening can be overwhelming, leading to common mistakes that may hinder the success of your garden. We'll explore 10 beginner gardening mistakes and provide valuable insights on how to avoid them for a thriving and rewarding gardening experience. 1. Ignoring soil health. The foundation of a successful garden lies in healthy soil. Neglecting soil testing and amendment can lead to poor plant growth. Conduct a soil test to determine each level's and nutrient content, and amend accordingly with organic matter for optimal plant health. 2. Overwatering or underwatering. Achieving the right balance in watering is critical for plant health. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can result in stunted growth. Learn the specific water needs of your plants, consider the climate, and establish a consistent watering routine. 3. Choosing the wrong plants. Selecting plants that are not well suited to your climate, soil type, or sunlight conditions is a common mistake. Research and choose plants that thrive in your specific gardening environment for a more successful and enjoyable experience. 4. Planting too close or too far apart. Proper spacing is essential for healthy plant development. Crowding plants can lead to competition for nutrients and increased susceptibility to diseases, while planting too far apart may result in wasted space and inefficient use of resources. Follow recommended spacing guidelines for optimal growth. 5. Neglecting pest management. Ignoring potential pest issues is a mistake that can quickly escalate. Regularly inspect plants for signs of pests, implement preventive measures, and consider natural pest control methods to protect your garden without harming beneficial insects. 6. Ignoring sunlight requirements. Different plants have varying sunlight needs. Failing to consider these requirements can lead to poor growth and disappointing yields. Observe the sunlight patterns in your garden and choose plants that match those conditions. 7. Skipping mulching. Mulching offers numerous benefits, including moisture retention, weed suppression, and temperature regulation. Neglecting to mulch is a common oversight that can result in increased maintenance and less favorable growing conditions for plants. 8. Failing to plan for growth. Plants grow, and some can become quite large. Neglecting to plan for their eventual size may lead to overcrowding and competition for resources. Consider the mature size of plants when arranging them in your garden. 9. Forgetting to rotate crops. Planting the same crops in the same location year after year depletes the soil of specific nutrients and increases the risk of pests and diseases. Implement crop rotation to maintain soil health and break pest and disease cycles. 10. Impatience and unrealistic expectations. Gardening is a process that requires time and patience. Setting unrealistic expectations for rapid growth and harvest can lead to disappointment. Enjoy the journey, learn from the experience, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Avoiding common beginner gardening mistakes requires a combination of research, observation, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By addressing these 10 common pitfalls, you set the stage for a successful gardening experience that not only yields a beautiful and productive garden, but also deepens your understanding and appreciation for the art and science of cultivating plants. Happy gardening!